Honesty is always the best policy.
One day, Ifrah went to the market to buy fruits.
Hello, Uncle. I want some apples.
Here you go, here you go.
By mistake, Uncle Bashir gave Ifrah extra money.
Oh, he gave me too much money. What should I do?
Ifrah remembered what her mother told her.
Always be honest, no matter what.
Uncle, you gave me extra money.
Oh, thank you, my girl. You are very honest.
Here, take this as a reward for your honesty.
Thank you.
Moral of the story: honesty is always the best policy. Subscribe to Kids Farhan Show for more fun stories.